Okay, mate. So CTK, yeah, did not go too well. Bit of a poor buy area. Now, yesterday was pretty bad. It's down whatever it was, 10% or whatever. So it really needs a new month now. Um, it's got that rejection. It's not going to recover now before the end of the year. Now, if we flip here on the year, these are generally bullish. See these pivots, they generally are bullish. It may need to have a little bit of a wick down first on the new year and then flip green. So what I will do now is I will wait for the wick down, and I may add on that wick down on the new year, or if it flips green again. So right now I don't think there's too much reason to be FOMOing into it. Already done that once, and it's a bit of a skewed entry. There's a flip red on the week here, so the week opened up and we flip red. I was hoping there would be continuation back up, but overall, it's still not bad. The only worry would be if price is coming down for this. That's obviously, I mean, it's a good thing and not a good thing. It's bad obviously because of an entry up here, but it's good down here because this would be a fantastic entry, and that would be obviously a dip in the new year, but it would be down below this capitulation candle. Is it on a 2 week as well? Yeah, so it's on 2 week as well. It would be a very powerful level if we got there. The problem is, down into there is a 30% dip. So I really don't know at this point, can we get that? That'll only happen if Bitcoin is going to get hit pretty hard. So at this point, just best to be patient, I think. It is into a kind of 3-day support level, as you can see here, this large volume on a 3-day. There may be a bit of a pierce of this somewhere down here. We need to see if that's going to hold or not, or are we going to get that lower dip. This was also a very good example. This was the largest red candle in its history on a 3-day chart at this point, and then price came down below that, and then we went higher. So we have something similar kind of on the weekly, or was it the 2 weekly? I suppose on both. If it did come down below here, it would be a fantastic entry. So it's a bit unfortunate that we're getting a bit hit here. So in an ideal world, I mean, this would be the wick of the new week, and we would pop back up, flip green, and maybe move higher again. But I'm not going to add just yet.